Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to fix the PayPal error. We're having trouble with this transaction. First, log in to your PayPal account. Click the notifications icon in the top right. If PayPal needs you to verify your identity, or if your account is limited, you'll see a message here. Open the notification and complete the required steps, such as submitting an ID or proof of address. Next, check your linked card or bank account. Expired cards, incorrect numbers, or mismatched billing addresses often trigger this error. Click Wallet, select your card, and make sure the card number, expiration date, and billing address are all correct. If everything looks correct, your card issuer or bank may be blocking the transaction. Call the number on the back of your card and ask if there's a hold, a limit, or a security block on your account. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Go to the PayPal service status page to see if PayPal is experiencing any outages or processing delays. If the error still appears, scroll down to the bottom of PayPal and click Contact Us. You can message PayPal, call them, or have them call you directly. Explain the issue, and they can check the exact reason your transaction was blocked. And that's it. That's how to fix the PayPal. We're having trouble with this transaction error.